Well, this is the start of what to me is the most delicious season in this area. Fresh Ontario asparagus is now available, and Foodland Ontario home economist Teresa McArowitz, your special. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Annette. Good morning. Yes. And with the warmer weather, we're going to see more of the Ontario asparagus just popping up in our local grocery stores and at farmers markets. Now, one of my favorite ways to enjoy asparagus is grilled. And I think you're going to love this grilled open face chicken asparagus and red pepper sandwich. So to start, what I have in here is a little bit of oil mixed with some garlic and also some dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Now, you can find this recipe plus a host of other ones on our website, foodlandontario.ca. So I'm going to put that onto the grill. Now, I'm using an indoor grill here today, but you can certainly do this outside on your grill. Preheat the grill to high and then turn down the temperature to medium. So I'm just adding all of that. Now,
So you want to hear that sizzle then when you put it on there. I can hear that.
Exactly, exactly. So I have one chicken breast that I have cut in half horizontally. So it opens up into two pieces. And I'm just going to brush that again with that oil mixture, and that will go onto the grill as well. Now, depending on your grill, we're looking at about 10 to 13 minutes or so of grilling time. I also like to put on extra asparagus onto my grill because I like to use it, throughout the week, whether I add it into some scrambled eggs or I put it into a salad. Now, what I've done already is I've grilled the ciabatta bun, or you can use any crusty bun that you can find. So I have some Ontario greens that I've tossed together with a little bit of oil and some balsamic vinegar, some creamy brie, and let's change our tongs here. We're going to top it off with that grilled Ontario asparagus and the sweet red pepper, and you have a delicious lunch or dinner is ready.
Wow. Okay. My question is, how do you eat that? Do you eat that with your hands? Is that a fork and knife sandwich kind of thing?
Well, for me, it's a fork and knife sandwich, but it's your preference, whatever way. It's a messy sandwich.
It's a messy sandwich. And we're all eating it at home anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Exactly. So it doesn't matter. Now, when you're going to the store to pick asparagus, make sure that you look for firm stalks and that the spears are closed. Now, the thickness of this stalk doesn't matter because you can see, look at these. These are jumbo spears.
Wow.
So I know they're amazing. We had some for breakfast yesterday with some eggs, absolutely delicious. And they cook up just as tender as the thinner spears. So when you bring your asparagus home, you have to trim the bottom a little bit. Asparagus will dry out. You have to treat it almost like flowers. So you could put it into water, or you could wrap the bottoms with some wet paper towel, and then loosely cover it with a plastic bag and refrigerate it, and it'll store for you for 3 to 5 days. Now, when you're ready to enjoy the asparagus, all you have to do is trim the bottoms. You can either cut them or they will snap. And this is the part that is a little bit tough. Now, what I do is I have my bag started here, is I put it into a freezer bag and I freeze this along with other vegetable scraps so I can make stock with it.
You know, I remember you doing this with me a couple of years ago, and now I have a freezer bag full of asparagus ends and all. And I look at it and I always think of you when I open up my freezer. In a nice way.
Oh, good. Oh, good. Now, the asparagus season, it started now. It runs all the way until June. So you could purchase extra. And then I also like to freeze it. And we can find that on our website, foodlandontario.ca. But you do have to blanch it, chill it in cold water, and then I dry it very well and pop it into the freezer. And it's great if you want to have asparagus soup at Christmas time, or use it to make hummus, and all sorts of different applications.
It's
for
such
it.
a really, really unique taste, and so great too. And so much of it is grown in Norfolk County. So that's where I'm from. I'm a big supporter of asparagus. Teresa,
Well,
thanks so much. We're going to get the recipe and all the details up on our website, chch.com. Always lovely to see you.
oh, thank you.